Hello everyone, welcome to my art and cooking channel. Today I have a bread machine cranberry loaf and I'm using all bread flour in this one rather than the freshly milled. There's a picture of it sliced up ready for din. And I've got my bread machine pan here, my Zojirushi Virtuoso, and other one bread machine did die, so I use them so much. And I'm putting a cup of water plus 3 tablespoons in the bottom, as well as the honey, which you can see sitting there, which is our local honey, and about a quarter cup of that. And that is the sugar that our yeast will feed off of, and it slightly sweetens the bread a little bit. And what else have I got going on here? My kosher salt will also go in the bottom. You'll see here in a second, as well as 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I will leave links below in the description, and either the recipe will be typed out or a link to the recipe card for my blog post. Regardless, check it out below. Also, like, share, and subscribe. All the things that help my channel out, and I can make more bread recipes for you guys. There's the salt going in. So, and then I'm going to use 4 cups of the scoop and level method of the bread flour is what I'm trying to say. And I'm just trying to evenly disperse that. This bread machine has more of a horizontal loaf rather than my other kind, which was more of a vertical thing going on with the one blade. So I'm trying to evenly distribute that flour so the rise will be okay on that. But this bread machine's great, works beautifully, very happy with it. And it's a workhorse. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of this yeast on top. It is a bread machine or a quick rise yeast. You could also use regular yeast as well. Use what you have, but this is just a little extra insurance. And then it's going to go into the bread machine. We're going to hold off on the cranberries until the beeping sound on your bread machine cycle. However far, mine's about like 40 minutes into the cycle, just the regular bread cycle. Maybe I did a light crust, so it didn't burn the cranberries. And there's the beauty. And I'm getting it out there and tipping it out of the tin. And it was very tasty, soft, great crumb. And the cranberries there were great. I get those from Azure Standard, and they're sweetened, I think, with apple juice, which is a little bit better than the others kinds of things you find in the store. But it was really tasty, and you could make French toast with this, would be really great. All sorts of things you could do. Of course, we just had it with our dinner, with our air-fried chicken thighs, mashed potatoes, hummus, and cucumber, and then the bread. And that was a quickie weeknight meal there. So hopefully you'll check out the links below. Try this one out, guys. You could also do dried blueberries, dried cherries, even golden raisins would be great. Anyway, I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below. Check it out. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.